What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Show Me Hydro. If you've been following the live streams on Twitch or our new YouTube live channel, you know that RDWC systems are absolute monsters for growth. But they can turn into a nightmare if you neglect maintenance. Today, I'm breaking down the essential checklist to keep your roots white, your pH stable, and your pumps humming. We're covering what to do weekly, monthly, and that all-important deep clean between crops. Let's dive in. Weekly maintenance is all about stability. In RDWC, things happen fast because the water is constantly moving. Reservoir swap. Depending on your nutrient line, a full reservoir changeout every week helps prevent nutrient skew, where the plants eat all of one element and leave the rest behind. Root health inspection. You're looking for pearly white roots. If you see brown slime, it's time to intervene with some H2O2 or beneficial microbes immediately. Leak check. Inspect every bulkhead and uniseal. Once a month, we need to look at all the moving parts of the system. Filter cleaning. If you're running an inline filter on your pump, shut the system down and rinse it out. Biosludge and root debris love to hide there. Chiller inspection. If using a chiller, check the dust filter. A dusty chiller works harder, runs hotter, and can actually warm up your grow room. pH and EC calibration. Don't just trust your probes. Once a month, calibrate your pins and double-check your continuous monitors. A drifting pH in RDWC can lock out nutrients in hours. Between grows. This is the most critical step. Keeping it clean between crops keeps you leak-free and operating at your best. The teardown. Drain the system completely, remove all net pots and grow medium. I recommend a solution of 1 tablespoon white vinegar per gallon for mineral buildup, or a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution if you are dealing with algae or mold. Take apart your water pumps. Clean the impellers. Use a soft bristled brush to get into the bulkheads where the biofilm builds up. Fill the system with plain water and a heavy dose of hydrogen peroxide. Run it for 24 hours, drain, and let it air dry. This kills anything hiding in the PVC lines. Maintenance isn't the fun part of growing, but it's the difference between a Harvest Watch photo on Patreon and a total crop failure. How often do you swap your reservoir? Are you team H2O2 or team beneficial bacteria? What additives do you use for cleaning? Let us know down in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out the Patreon for early access to garden updates. I'll see you next time, right here on Show Me Hydro. Do you want to see what I'm growing? Join us over on Twitch at twitch.tv/showmehydro. You'll be able to see what's happening in the grow tents 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can even control the view yourself with chat commands. The live stream can also be viewed on the new Show Me Hydro Live YouTube channel, as well as Kick and Rumble if you prefer those platforms. So join us live from the Grow Tent. I hope to see you there. Have you got a question you would like answered? Is there a topic you would like to see discussed in a video? Let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Would you like to support the channel? Head on over to patreon.com/showmehydro to get all the garden updates, early video previews, harvest watch photos, and behind the scenes content you won't find anywhere else. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe.